In this video, I'll show you how to connect Xano to WeWeb. First, sign into your WeWeb account and open the project where you want to connect Xano as your backend. Next, open the data section and click Add Data Source. Choose Xano from the list of available data sources. If you don't already have a Xano workspace, create one and prepare your API endpoints. After that, enter your Xano base URL and any required API credentials into the connection settings. Save the connection, then select the API endpoints you want to use in your WeWeb project. Now, bind the data from Xano to your pages and components. You can display records and lists, populate forms, or connect actions such as creating, updating, and deleting data through your Xano API. Finally, preview your application and test the connection by retrieving and updating sample data. Make sure everything works correctly before publishing your app. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Xano to WeWeb. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.